withdraw that statement within 48 hours and they publish it in the national newspaper. Now, Igbo Adeho, Igbo about Igbo knowledge, withdraw the statement and continue with whatever political movement or agenda you are carrying out. You're entitled to that. They don't come to entire Igbo land to mock them. Igbos have been mocked enough. If you don't know, people like you are being used to mock the Igbo people. Okay? Obi Cubana. I don't know Igbo lack knowledge. Oh, you get a go Enugu. Because they promote your city movement agenda. Well, what are drogi? What are drogi? Yenja Wagyoku, Yenji were trying to put this message to them. And when I'm the capacity to respond to you, particularly, for saying that Igbo lack knowledge. Amuabu, Chief Emeka, or WWW, one of Igbo land. Ejim authority, Echichirimu, na Igbo, as the defender of the youth in the Igbo land. We're now going that now, he get retract that statement, he get withdraw that particular statement. He make it. It's Igbo lack knowledge. He ain't going to retract that statement. Put that now. He can under the influence of microphone, a married female. Igbo does not lack knowledge. I'm going to lack knowledge. All people like you will be Cubana. Boy, you have knowledge. Because you were privileged. Hugidas, I'm going to be area 11. As of 2001, by the Til Caribbean Abuja, as of area 11, Ibiza. Okay. So, I know what key you were the audacity. Hugidas through the support of the people. Now it's where Kubapanogi. It's where Kubagi with my patronage. You have not patronized me in anything. But in all your establishments, starting from area 11 to Cubana Club, everywhere club now, season 2. We be doing it's one of your biggest patronizers. Miracle down to Victoria Island in Adeolo before he led the place to Maradona. And I'm here about when pictures and proof. I'm one of your highly celebrated patronizers. And do Igbo Kambo. Where nature Igbo ni na anya, mako ye Igbo. Mako ni Igbo ina akari Igbo Dr. Namdazik iwe. Igbo Dr. Igbo Chief Emeka Odumegwu Ojukwu. Igbo Sir Louis Ojukufa. Igbo K.O. Mbadi iwe. Eh? Igbo Chinua Achebe. Mako na have knowledge in the world, you know. Before a full tribe, Igbo knowledge, you know, speak. Because now that's not what I do. I was a champion. You go now, you when I am now going to retry that statement, Nandi we want knowledge. Unless I give one want knowledge, give Obi Cubana. Unless I give one want knowledge, and that we're going to get want knowledge. That's why you know get a noise. Put up a money na million more of the dead to be here because he swim each tube. Each tube we brought me. Well, in what 48 hours from now I get this message. Retract that statement equal against Igbo and Igbo knowledge. You want the rights to affiliate politically as a person. You want the rights to carry out any political agenda in favor of any candidate of any political party you wish or you choose. You want the rights as an individual. You have the rights. But you want the rights, they carry the collective intelligence of the entire tribe. On your king want the rights. And the end of this morning, but today was Saturday. I believe him to hear this message. But know this message live. Only one on so should forward this message to Obi Cubana. You got to go. Nigeria no win Nanya or the Kanye on Abuja Babacha. And of Abuja as of 1995, and Rogoma Abuja away from Unubia Chana. And Rogoma Abuja away from few properties in on Abuja as of then. Okay? So for you to just come out to say Nandi Igbo and we're knowledge because now the president, the director of a particular movement is an insult to the sensibility of the entire Igbo race. Igbo who in the Britain and Igbo, the nature Igbo with their natural intelligence. What's all going to differ? Igbo, what do you people for Jaja? Ndị wuru ụzọ mgbe gboo I'm only when we have knowledge. And the only one knowledge in Nigeria. I'm like people like you, the na when you have belly face. About if you ego de la in a la ego. Na give free ego. I get men that quasi Judas. Oh, yeah, I want to tell you, I want to go, not ego, but they can others. Because they put up knowledge, including myself, you are insulting me. So you put me and I didn't mean sword, and they put me with every audacity and authority. And if you don't know, and I'm a coup from the authority that is bestowed to me as a WNE of Igbo land. So we draw that statement within 48 hours and they publish it in the national newspaper. Now Igbo adho, if Igbo about Igbo knowledge, we draw the statement and continue with whatever political movement or agenda you are carried out. You're entitled to that. They don't come to an entire Igbo land to mock them. Igbos have been mocked enough. If you don't know, people like you are being used to mock the Igbo people. Okay? Igbos have been mocked enough. To me, I am a nationalist. I am for the unity of the country. But I cannot insult any tribe, even if I am giving 100 billion naira to do so. I will not do that. Reason why? Because I have to respect people. So if you are now a saboteur among us, being used to discredit or to denigrate us, then we have to find out about you. At the end of the day, let's me forgo your position as Igbo man. If you open the browser Igbo, what the browser Igbo, I am a but they put na national television, Igbo knowledge. I don't think we will accept that from you. I don't think we will accept that from you. Opportunity ni nwere no why ego ni nwere on the Igbo mere ji we nwe. Ebe anyị na ahụ azụ, mgbe ibidoro nwe azụ, mgbe ibidoro as humble as ị na-eji akụkọ eko azụ. This barbecue fish, mgbe ibidoro hụ bịa na area 11. Ebe ahụ ibidoro hụ azụ na area 11, mgbe anyị na-agba club there as of 1997, 1998. Mgbe enwere verdict next to ebe anwa. Ị ma hụ ka ọhịa dị ebe anwa dị. Unu ncha pụtara opportunity dị chaka unu ncha niile. Anyị nwere abacha 1 million man march na Abuja anwa. Ị na-anụ ya na-agwa gị. I was the youngest of that campaign then. So you were put out on national TV, we won and Igbo, Aburo Made, and Igbo want knowledge. Igbo that is over 60 million people. What I want knowledge. Igbo Nababegi comfortable in Aja Ezegi. Mokane Ezegi in Aja or chicken achi yawa no chieseki in achi. Or you don't take humano. Obina yebu. Or you don't take humano. And I go Obi Cubana in Aja Ezegi. One with the Kawa, the couch in a camera, through the patronage of Munegi na support Munegi. How can it be? Makana, Bechi and the Mecha Abena was to patronize our guitars. Patronize our guitars. A Mepper Club, Niba, and you would go money everywhere, go. In Echo. Even now, Eboda would your Balegos, no. They got on Regaba. Okay, here now. We're going to trade here. They got on. Apart from Ndibo, you could only be together na club ga on Ndibo. So Ndibo nyendere ego. Yegide ego iwere nwe ego. Ihe yegizi we kene Ndibo, e puta na TV we si na anyị egi na anyị nwe knowledge. Ego ne ka akwuru gị ihe nwa, ị ga-eji we re your tribe and your culture. Ego ne ka iji abamba nwa. Emakwa na ego a na ị na-agbakwa na ị ga-arapịa we nwụọ. Emakwa na ihe anyị na-eme na anụ you can all hear your birthrights. Ego. Ego enyere gị na iji si ga-ekwopụ gị. Ị ga-emechekwa. Ihe ndị a nyere ego anwa ga-emechekwa n'ụwa ha. Ego anwa ha megidegide ike akwụkwọ ha. Ụwa na-efuru nwere onye mere bụ the highest. Ego a nyere gị na eru nwoke ịgbakọ ego niile enyere gị na dollar. Oru nwoke ego ofu ndụ tigoro watch mara n'aka. Oru ka ego ofu ndụ jigoro watch a na-agba amara aka ego niile nwere as Obi Cubana otu obi n'ihe egwu o nwere nke ruru ka ego o nwere ndị nwere watch ha gbara aka ogoro ihe niile iji bụrụ mmadụ so nnukwu ị na-eko ihe anyị na-eko ọkwa ikekwe ị na-agbara Rolls Royce ị na-agba nka ọkwa dị mmadụ Rolls Royce anyị na-anya mkwadị na Charles Royce and Henry Royce bụ mmadụ ka ha bụ ndị nwere Rolls Royce a na form partner in 1903 ịma ka ha si meet onwe ịma how Charles Royce and Henry Royce met themselves and become partners and form Rolls Royce. You know who is Charles and who is Henry? This were human being. They know your comment said he saw how money. Maybe they go with whom he in Anya. Can't can do with the brand in a promote to get in a promote Nama. Here me, Obina Yebu, here me Joe Anya, here me Go Anya, either national TV. na-ekwu na ndị Igbo enweghị knowledge. Igbo nke dị nsogbu ya wụrụ na knowledge niile m bụ n'isi m ịtịkpalachakwa gị anya. Ọ bụrụ na m amaghị onye one on one masị na m amara mana kedu ka a child of a humble beginning like you, because na Chineke tụlitetiri gị elu through the support of the seven ndị Igbo iwepụta na-ekwuwachi ọnụ na-ekwughị ọnụ gị fiakwa gị tụfịa gị. Igbo enweghị knowledge. Ikekwa ndị na ebe ahụ ị ga-ekwu onye I don't think ị ga-apụta nwa Anambra ebe Soludo wee gọvanọ ekwe gị na ọ n'ihu ekwu ori okwu ahụ. Ikekwa ebe i jere o nwere ndị ga-tolerate gị, people that you can intimidate. Anyị nwa Igbo Anambra ndị anyị nwa isi Igbo. Ị gaghị abịa nwa Anambra steeti kwu ori okwu ahụ ndị mmadụ agbaghị nkịtị na ndị ka ị ga-esi were kwu ori okwu a. Ọ bụrụ ikwuru ya ọ dị ka m nọrọ na stadium dị aga m make sure na m gbara mbere track the statement na-ekwu Igbo enweghị eze. Ọ dịkwa ntị njọ ọ dị ntị njọ mgbe m nụrụ okwu a ekwetaghị m na ikwuru ya ma kịta aka na watch video wee ebe one lady na-ekwu okwu uti anya mmiri ihe Obi Cubana kwuru maka ndị Igbo. Nwaanyị ụwa ụmụ gị mụchara kwa na Naịjirịa ka ị mụrụ ịmụgodo ha na London. At the end of the day ọ ndị Igbo ka ha bụ ọ ndị Igbo. So mgbe ị na-ekwu na ndị Igbo enweghị knowledge amamụdị knowledge ị chọrọ ka anyị nwee ịchọrọ ka emekwana ihe mere Igbo na this country na nwere onye mere ya ga-akwụdo. Igbo edara gburisie na mgbe a na-anụ ya mebicha ihe ndị Igbo niile still ndị Igbo gbagide mbọ with their knowledge wee kwudo ya ka egwu atụma gị Obi Cubana wee pụtasị na ndị Igbo enweghị knowledge. Nnọka ịma knowledge, what do you know as knowledge? So knowledge if you know na maka na ego egote nwu gị makwana ịwụ ngwa ahịa kpawara onye kpọọ n'ogoro ọ dị ka gị na-akpara Igbo. Ọ dị ka gị ọ bụrụ na ịwụ nwa Igbo tiri m nwere akụrụ dị n'isi gbadoro ụkwụ n'ala ị gaghị ekwe ka ị hụrụ ngwa ahịa na-egoro ọ dị ego were gị otu ị nọ na ịma yuzu iPhone ntị okwu ịma ngote nwunye gị izuo maka na nwụgwụ ndị kwụrụ gị ụgwọ si gị ga anwa nakwa anwa yuzu onye iPhone nọọsụ Samsung dị ka ị ga na-eyuzu. So you have choice a na-enye ndị mere maka akpịrị ego gị ndị eliminate your choice. Akpịrị ego ịda akpịrị ego nkọnọ nwere nkọnọ ego eliminate your choice to things. Ya na agwa gị bụ life adị m atụrụ gị asị and I'm not insulting you, neither am I trying to say who you are not. I have known you for over 20 years. I've known you and I have patronized you. In fact, I'm one of your biggest customer anywhere, anytime, any day. They're going to contribute to your business. It's enormous. Since in the room, one naira gets my hand. But I have been patronizing you all around. I've been patronizing you. So as one of your biggest patronizers, or even the smallest of it, come no, as when you watch after you true. Hi, na ikwuru ọnụ ikwuru ka esi na ọbụ onye Igbo mụtara gị ikwuru ọnụ o nwere ihe ya nwata kwuo na asị mechie ọnụ eze kekere mmanụ onye agbara ukwuo onye wu mmadụ ya nwa na Naịjirịa karịrị onye Igbo mmakwana Igbo ejecha agwụ nọ na Naịjirịa. That's not ndị Igbo that na this country called Nigeria no unity. Igbo will the defining factor of this country. Ịmakwana ebe na ndị na-agbasa Igbo mgbe abụrụkwa n'ebe aka obi. No, the combined might of America and the rest of combined might of Britain and even America, depends on who is in the administration, like Barack Obama and Joe Biden, in combination with the late Queen Elizabeth. See today, on there, Abasa Ibomba, on there, Manobru Ibochia, Nigeria, this country will be one of the greatest countries on earth. Have you since independence? Where would I never see Igbo? In order to punish Igbo, and in order to make sure that Nigeria reach to the heights that Nigeria ought to have reached, I will make sure that Igbo, even now as we speak, they are fighting to remove Igbo from the three major tribes in Nigeria, Afon in Nigeria, Igbo, outside Yoruba, South, North, East, and the West. Okay, that's what they are fighting now. Now they are using it South to replace Anachi to replace Igbo. If you don't know, can you instead of anyone on that number 3 position among the 3 positions you know here, and I just you with South where replace ya one for your information. Now also Chigo Obasanjo from 1999 can Koragi Ezegi Nacharedi can Kawaragi Obasanjo Chigo from 8 years from 1999 to 2007. When I was for 3 years from 2007 I went to 2010. Fortunately, Obodo is 8 years there. Only South chair for 6 years because he was South by Onya Hausa will play again chair for 8 years. Now not a Yoruba now. Yoruba now gonna 4 years. Now I filed for the election, which I wish him luck. or win by the election, or many 8 years. A plus for 8 years with Obasanjo, 16 years. If I call 3 years, on your na 8 years, on your cause on abro 11 years. Then if I call 6 years, on your south. In all, one go for even 1 day. That's rock. Kitchen only win on that's rock. I go. In a jazz aquari. You're a big Cubana. You're a big Cubana. You Obi Cubana.